Raj and welcome to the channel. Like this one says, this vlog's going to be about what it's like right now. Like it's the midsection of the rainy season, the low season. It's quieter here. It's a Sunday, but the clouds are looking pretty good. No rain so far, and we've had a few clear days, so rainy season could be an option. Let's go have a walk and look. This is down by the river. These things are just, I don't know whether I'm hallucinating, but these things are growing so fast. I'll see if I can find some old footage, but boy, I'm sure they were way lower than that. Look at the height of those. They are really taking off. Must be the perfect position. Anyway, it's not a gardening channel. Let's go. Now, as you can tell, it is a lot quieter. Less traffic. Sunday morning. It is very quiet for Siem Reap standards. So it's even easy to get across the road. Alrighty, favourite spot there, Cafe Amazon. I enjoy an iced latte there. So we're heading down past Cafe Amazon, past the old river there. As you can see, traffic's flowing nicely. Bit of a morning traffic report on a Sunday. They're the easiest reports to do because it is nice and quiet. Everywhere a Honda Dream. Everywhere. A few scoopies and clicks and stuff. Predominantly the Honda Dream. Stay tuned because I'll be purchasing my own one very shortly. Okay. Still following along the river over there. That's down the end there, the big white building is Zando. Shopping, for clothes shopping. I tend to go to the markets, like out on 60 Road and things like that. You can get things a bit cheaper. As you can tell, I'm not exactly a style icon, so it doesn't matter. We're going past the Fountain Dragon here. There's a photography spot there. So the river arches around there. Rest of the streets on both sides fires out there. Then you come past the Cineplex where you can see some movies. Haven't watched a movie in a very long time. What was the last movie I went to? I think the last one was Oppenheimer. That's how long ago I went to the movies. Not really interested in movies anymore. I think because of the death of Hollywood. You know how it tried to change tact and it shot itself in the foot. Alrighty. More Honda Dreams. The land of hello, Tuesday, Saxabay. It's the Kingdom of Wonder, but it is the land of Honda Dreams. As you can see, traffic's really good still. This won't get busy until in the afternoon when the sun looks like going down and it cools down a bit. It's not too hot at the moment. I'll do an actual temperature check for you. Let's do a temperature check on camera. Temperature check 30. It's 30 degrees, but it's not like a stifling hot 30 degrees. It's comfortable. Either that or I'm getting used to it. There's the Zando bank, the elephant statue over there. Another statue. A lot of navigation when you get here at first is going to be based on these statues and fountains and roundabouts. You'll be able to find your way around that way. And down there, world famous Pub Street. Quiet now on a Sunday morning. Everyone's still recovering recovery mode. Takes me a day or two. Hello, Day. Saksabay. There's the Pot Street. Yeah, it takes me ages to recover now. One big night, and like a big night, if I don't get home till 2 or 4, mate, it's a couple of days knocked out. The day's recovery, the day getting right now. Naturally, Sunday. But it'll fire up in the afternoon, and by night time it'll be full on again. Plenty of ATMs. I mainly use ABA. I use the main big one down the middle of this street. It's usually always got enough cash in it, because sometimes it can run a bit low. Oh look, it's 100 Dream. 2 of them. I think there's another one. Alrighty. Supermarkets, there's plenty of Western style supermarkets here in most points of, it's in Siem Reap in the town. There's also 7-Elevens here now. There's the old Starbucks over there. That's the ABA, the big 24/7 one. I use the ATMs in there. It's air conditioned in there, it's comfortable. And you can usually find a machine that's got enough USD in it. I get the USD out. If you want to, you can change it over at Wing, over next to 7-Eleven. So you just jump into Wing, change into real and keep a bit of US. Night Market Street. Hey, if you followed along right to the end. Hey, if you followed right to the end, thank you heaps. That's great. If you do that, perhaps you'd like to hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, etc. and help the channel. You can catch up with all the adventures. Okay, Brett Voyage out. I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.